So now that we reviewed Android and the benefits of it and how we can use the different components in the Android overlay, let's talk about the difference between why I should use Android versus PC. One of the reasons why Android is a great tool is because you do have all the apps and do have all the connective pieces to it. You have Google Chrome to be able to log into things. You have Chorus to be able to use the whiteboard for. You have a lot of benefits. The only challenge that really presents itself when you use the Android side is it doesn't function like a computer. It functions like a tablet. And while tablets are great for some tools, there are many other tools that we can use. When it comes to the PC side, that's where we can get into more of the details. When it comes to the PC side, again, everything is secured. You need your password, you need your login information, just as if you were signing onto your desktop. It's a huge component to be able to use, and it can be a little bit intimidating. One of the things that we're going to do is we're going to review some of the PC benefits and why that's important. So as you see, I have the PC side up. When I swipe up, it asks me to sign in with a username and password. Same as your laptop. When you use your laptop, it allows you to be able to sign in to that component. Everything that you have on your laptop can be similar to what you use here. Now, one of the questions that I get a lot is, Becky, when I use the PC, does that mean it becomes my computer? Yes and no. While you can sign in and it access all your information that you have on your laptop, say for example you have documents on there, those do not transfer over. You can still access them if you have them in your Google Drive from one place to another. However, it does not go together. You cannot sync up your desktop to this desktop unless you plug it in with an HDMI. So for teachers who have everything saved on their laptops and have worksheets and have all these components there, you would have to transfer them using a USB drive from one place to another. It is a little bit time consuming, but you still have the benefits. As long as you're using your Google Drive, you can access things anywhere. So when we use the board, we have to remember how we're going to use it and what component we're going to use it for. When we switch to the other boards, we're gonna see how they interact a little bit differently and how you can use a Google sign-in, which again, on the Android side, allows you to be able to use everything and sign in and have everything at your disposal. But if you're out and it's not you, anyone has access to your information. And we want to make sure everything is kept private. So when we use the PC side, it has to be you. It has to sign in as you unless you leave your username and password somewhere. And those are the two big differences between the two of them. I highly recommend using the PC side. I know it can be an intimidating thing at first, but once you get used to it, you'll fly right through it.